Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Canva with Facebook. You can connect your Canva account with your Facebook account easily in just a few steps. Open your Canva application on your mobile device, or you can also open up Canva's official website on a web browser. Look for the sign up or login options that you'd like to continue with. After you see these kind of an interface, tap on the Continue with Facebook option to connect Canva with Facebook. Now, click on the Continue button in order to follow the sign-in step, and then enter your email address and your password for your Facebook account in the text box. After typing in your credentials for Facebook account, click on the Login button. Now, allow Canva to access your Facebook account's profile picture, name and email address by tapping on the Continue button in blue at the bottom. And you will be able to connect your Canva account with Facebook. Once authorized, your Facebook account will be linked to Canva. You can now also access photos from Facebook in Canva designs. That is how you will be able to connect your Canva account with Facebook. You will now be logged into your home screen for Canva. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.